Today I'm gonna showing it to you how can you share a Google Drive folder with anyone. So at first you need to log in your email, and then you need to go here the 9 dot button, and then you need to go to Drive, or you may go to directly drive.google.com. So you will reach the same Google Drive. So if you want to share this folder with anyone, then you just need to click the folder, and then you need to click here share, and then you need to click share. And then when you will click share, then you will have option here to put individually the person. Otherwise, for the general access, you can make it anyone with the link. So if anyone have the Google Drive link, I am just copying the link and then click done. So if anyone have the link, they can see what have in my this folder. So if I will go with another browser with my another email, so if I put the link here that I have just copied from there, then you can see here I have the access. So now if I will make it share, and now if I will make it restricted and then copy the link, now if I will go to another email, like I say another person, so if I click here, then it will need a access to access the folder. So we need to make sure here it is anyone with the link. Then you can share any of the folder from your Google Drive with anyone. That's it. And if you lost the link, you can just click here again and share and copy the link. So this folder now you may share with anyone with the link. That's it. Thank you so much.